Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to legally smuggle some tunes into your iPhone. No, we are not hacking the Pentagon, just a couple of apps and a sprinkle of tech magic. But for that, here's what we will cover. Step 1. App Store Adventures. Step 2. Melodista's Grand Entrance. Step 3. Enter 2BDFM. Step 4. The Expert Hassle. Step 5. The Artwork Drama. Why Melodista Rock? Let us dive in. Step 1. App Store Adventures. First, grab your iPhone. You are watching this on it, right? Head to the App Store and search for 2BDFM. Download it, then type in Melodista. Trust me, it is not a pasta recipe. And download that too. Easy, right? Step 2. Melodista's Grand Entrance. Open Melodista first. It will ask for some permissions. Say yes to everything. Privacy? Shh, privacy. We are downloading bots. Step 3. Enter 2BDFM. Now open 2BDFM. Search for your favorite song. Yes, even the guilty pleasure ones you don't want your friends to know about. Got it? Good. Tap the play button at the bottom. Then hit the three dots, the universal secret options icon. Tap download, and voila, you've got your song. Step 4. The Export Hassle. Next, head over to Files in Media. Fancy name, huh? Tap those sneaky three dots again. Select Export and send your song to Melodista. Boom, your tune has a new home. Step 5. The Artwork Drama. Oh, no artwork? Don't panic. No one has to know your playlist looks like a bootleg mixtape. Go back to 2BDFM, find the same song, hit the three dots again, and choose Extract Audio. Export it again to Melodista. Trust me, it is worth the effort. Now open Melodista, and ta-da! Your song is there, artwork and all. It is like the Spotify premium experience, but without the premium price tag. Why Melodista rocks? With this app, you can listen offline, create playlists, and yes, it even plays in the background while you pretend to be productive. And that's it. Now you can flex your downloaded music game like a pro. Go ahead, jam out. Your iPhone just got a whole lot cooler. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you. Please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And bye for now.